How do DHCP reservations create static IP assignments? Imagine your network is like a busy city with many houses and roads. Each house needs an address to receive mail. In the digital world, these addresses are called IP addresses. Now, some addresses are assigned manually and never change, called static IP addresses. Others are given out automatically and can change each time a device connects. This is where DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, comes into play. It helps devices get their IP addresses automatically. But what if you want a device to always have the same IP address without setting it manually? That's where DHCP reservations come in. DHCP reservations are like making a special appointment for a device. Instead of just getting any available address, the DHCP server remembers the device's unique identifier, called a MAC address, which is like its fingerprint. When the device asks for an IP address, the server checks its reservation list. If it finds the device's MAC address, it assigns the same IP address every time. This way, the device gets a fixed address, but it still uses the DHCP system to get it. To set this up, a network administrator first finds out the MAC address of the device needing a fixed IP. Then, they tell the DHCP server to reserve a specific IP address for that MAC address. When the device connects and requests an IP, the server looks at the reservation list, finds the MAC address, and gives out the reserved IP. This process happens automatically, so the device always gets the same IP without needing manual configuration on the device itself. The benefits of DHCP reservations are clear. Devices like printers or servers that need a consistent IP can have one without manually setting it on each device. It makes managing the network easier because all IPs are controlled from one central place. It also prevents IP conflicts, which happen when two devices try to use the same address. If a device's network card changes, you can update the reservation easily without reconfiguring the device. In larger networks like data centers or web hosting environments, DHCP reservations help keep critical devices reachable with the same IP address. This is important for DNS records and firewall rules that relying on fixed addresses. Compared to static IP addresses, reservations are more flexible and easier to manage because they are controlled through the DHCP server. Static IPs requiring manual setup on each device, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. So, in simple terms, DHCP reservations create static IP assignments by linking a device's MAC address to a specific IP address inside the DHCP server. This method gives the device a reliable and changing address while still using the dynamic system that makes network management smoother. It's a smart way to keep important devices reachable and organized without the hassle of manual IP setup every time.